The overall goal of this protocol is to apply soft X-ray absorption spectroscopy and resonant inelastic X-ray scattering to battery material studies.
This method is about utilizing soft X-ray spectroscopy, including X-ray absorption and resonant inelastic X-ray scattering, the so-called RIXS, as unique tools to answer the key questions in battery field.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can directly probe the chemical reactions in various battery material and advance this field beyond the conventional trial and error approach.
Though this method can provide insight into battery material, it can also be applied to other systems such as catalysts, solar cells, and semiconductors.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as synchrotron-based soft X-ray spectroscopy is difficult to learn without it. This protocol provides a detailed visual example of a typical experiment.
To begin, cut the battery material samples to fit the sample holder, ensuring that each sample is larger than the beam spot. Fix the samples on the sample holder with double-sided conductive tape. For some powder samples, use indium foil to stick if necessary. Then, vent the sample load lock with nitrogen gas. Use a sample grabber, such as large tweezers, to load the sample holder into the load lock. Close and evaluate the load lock. Once the load lock pressure is sufficiently low, open the valve between the load lock and the main.